Welcome to Green Sand Interactive. The objective of this tutorial is to accurately determine loss on ignition of the given sand sample. For this analysis, we will be requiring silica crucible having capacity of 25 ml, a pair of tongs, a spatula, muffle furnace capable of providing a uniform temperature zone of about 920 degrees Celsius, a desiccator, a stopwatch, and a weighing scale having at least count of 1 milligram. Step 1. Pre-ignite the silica crucible in the muffle furnace maintained at 920 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Step 2. Remove the crucible from the furnace using a tong and let it cool for 15 minutes at room temperature. Step 3. Place the empty silica crucible on weighing balance. Note down the empty weight of the silica crucible and denote it as W1. Step 4. Add 1 gram of sample for which loss on ignition is to be tested. The sample should be previously heated at 105 plus minus 5 degrees Celsius for an hour to dry it. Step 5. Note down the weight of the silica crucible with sample and denote it as W2. Step 6. Put the silica crucible with sample in the muffle furnace for 2 hours at 920 plus minus 10 degrees Celsius. Stir the mass in between so that the sample can be completely incinerated. Step 7. Take out the crucible from the furnace using a tong and let it cool down for 15 minutes at room temperature. Step 8. Then cool down the crucible in the airtight desiccator which contains anhydrous silica gel for 10 minutes. Step 9. Note down the weight of the crucible with sample and denote it as W3. Step 10. Calculate the loss on ignition in percent using the formula W2 minus W3 divided by W2 minus W1, the whole multiplied by 100, where W1 is weight of empty silica crucible, W2 is weight of silica crucible with sample, W3 is weight of silica crucible with sample after heating in the furnace. Or loss on ignition is equal to weight loss divided by weight of sample taken, the whole multiplied by 100. Some of the precautions needed to be taken are: ensure proper calibration of muffle furnace, ensure that the thermocouple of the muffle furnace is air suspended and not touching the muffle, avoid spillage of the material, use clean silica crucibles. So this is how you determine loss on ignition of the given sand sample.